Welcome to another vlog. So it's Wednesday and we leave for Vegas Saturday morning. We're gonna be out there for a week. I haven't started packing yet, so I need to do that. I'm gonna do my nails. I still have these tie-dye nails on from my girlfriend's bachelorette because she had a tie-dye theme. I'll have that vlog linked in the description box. It was a lot of fun, but I'm gonna do some nails that have some flames on them. They're from Diva and they actually help my nails grow. These are the nails that I'm gonna do next. They have pink flames. They're so cute. I'm not sure how I feel about this purple color, but I really love these two right here. So I think I'm gonna do my nails Friday because I want them to be fresh, and then I'm gonna give myself a blowout on Friday before we go. I haven't straightened my hair in a while, and I bought this Color Wild Dream Coat a few weeks ago, so I have been waiting to use it. I'm gonna make a reel. I've heard great things, so I'm really excited to try this. I've tried a few of their other products and they're really good, so I know this one is gonna be good as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna film a festival hairstyle with this pink hair. I'm just waiting on some LED scrunchies from Amazon. Really excited for that. And then I ordered the correct blinger because if you don't know, I ordered the wrong one and I tried to do some hairstyles with it and it just did not work. So it was really disappointing. And this was sold out for the longest time, but I finally got my hands on it. I'll have this linked in the description box like everything else I'm gonna be mentioning in this video, but I'm so excited to use this. I'm actually gonna bring this with me to Vegas and use it for the first time while we're out there. I'm gonna create some content, so stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. I have my hair in a sleek bun right now because I'm trying not to wash it before Friday when I give myself a blowout. This is the hairstyle that I'm gonna recreate with my pink hair. I was looking on TikTok for some viral recipes to make and I found the animal style fries from In-N-Out. I used to live in California and I would go to In-N-Out all the time, so I'm really excited to recreate these animal style fries. This is what they look like. I'm gonna make a reel recreating them. I also ordered the Emma.Chamberlain matcha set. I've already tried these. I'm not sure how I feel about the mango matcha, to be honest. I feel like it's something that needs to grow on me. And the vanilla matcha, I couldn't really taste the vanilla too much. So I think I'm gonna make this one right now, the vanilla matcha. I saw Emma.Chamberlain make the vanilla matcha on her Instagram page and she added some vanilla maple syrup to it. So I don't have vanilla maple syrup, but I have regular maple syrup. So I'm gonna make it the way she did it. And I also made some strawberry infused ice cubes last night, so I'm gonna use that for my ice. I basically bought these so I wouldn't drink so much coffee because I'm a coffee addict. So I'm gonna make myself some matcha and then we're gonna make the animal style fries. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Cheers. It tastes good using maple syrup as the sweetener. Sometimes I'll use honey, and I have my carrot cake coffee cake muffins here. I'll have this recipe linked in the description box. I also made a reel on these. So this is everything I need, and it says that I can air fry the fries, and they're only gonna take about 10 to 12 minutes, so that's gonna be quick. I'm gonna cut the onion up and cook 1/2, then combine all the ingredients. They're pretty good. They don't taste exactly like animal fries, but I am getting that flavor. So maybe I should have added more ketchup. I think I definitely could have cut the pickles a little bit smaller. This is such a heavy meal. I need to go to the gym right now. I typically don't like eating American cheese, but I just got it for this recipe, so maybe that's what it is. Maybe I should have tried a different cheese. This is definitely hangover food. I wish I had a Coke. I ordered this dress off of Amazon for Vegas the other day and it just came in the mail. So let's see if it looks good or if it's a return. It's really cute. It has like 3 silver hearts down the center. They sell maybe 3 other styles, but I didn't see any reviews with this dress, so I'm not sure if it's gonna look good or not. But I did just buy some cute black heels from Marshall's, and I wanted a black dress to go with it. So, let's see. This is what it looks like. Oh. So the hearts are kind of crooked. Let me fix them. I got a size small, so let's try her on. I actually really like it. The only thing is it's a little short, but it's Vegas. And these are the shoes that I was talking about. They're really comfortable. I feel like I need these in every color. I think I'm gonna wear this Thursday night. This is our luggage at the moment. I need to use this bag. My bestie had these made for everyone for my bachelorette. So I think I'm gonna use this to take to the pool when we're out there. It's the next day. I have my festival makeup done, so by the time my scrunchies get here, I can film that tutorial. It says they should arrive within the next 2 hours. I just got done doing some laundry and I have been needing to clean out my closet, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna try to get rid of some clothes. I have just been holding on to some clothes for way too long, so it's about time I get rid of them. Everyone says to go by the 1-year rule, which means if you haven't worn it in 1 year, then you should get rid of it, and there are a lot of clothes in my closet that I haven't worn in a few years. So for starters, I'm going to be getting rid of this Getting Knocked Up shirt. I wore this to my girlfriend's bachelorette. I would hold on to this for a few more years, but I'm just like, why would I hold on to it? Like, where would I wear it? I would just use it as pajamas. And then I have this flannel that has been sitting in my closet for years that I haven't even worn. This is more fitted, and I am into oversized fitted clothes now, so I'm just never gonna wear this. It's just been taking up space. This is what we're working with. And then I have a whole nother side over here. I'm such a hoarder. I wore this to Animal Kingdom with my girlfriends like 3 years ago, and I have never worn it since. I'm like, it's so cute. I could definitely wear it, but I never have. And even right now, I'm like, I can still wear it and pair it with some black boots. But like, I haven't done that in 3 years. Am I really gonna do that? I got this from Fashion Nova, and I wore it to my girlfriend's bachelorette. Like, how long has she been married for? 5 years now? Or has she been married for 10 years? Holy crap. That's crazy. Maybe 8, I don't know. Anyways, this is old. I'm like, I've just been holding on to it thinking that I'm gonna rewear it, and I'm not. Her bachelorette was in Miami, so it's time to let go. Here's another one from my girlfriend's bachelorette in Miami, like 10 years ago, from Fashion Nova. It's a little thoughty moment. Super cute, but it's just time to get rid of it. I bought this TikTok viral dress from Target, and it's just really uncomfortable. It rises up when I walk, so I haven't worn it many times because of that, so I'm just gonna get rid of it finally. Looks like I'm doing some damage here. I bought this dress to wear to my husband's family Christmas party like 3-4 years ago. Haven't worn it since. It's really pretty, but time to let it go. Can we talk about this? Charlotte Russe. I feel like it could be a moment. I just don't know when that moment's gonna happen. I need to pair this with a black turtleneck and some black jeans with some booties. This is such a cute top from H&M. It even has the thumb holes here, but it always rises up like over my bra. And I can't not wear a bra with it because I'll have a nip slip. So this is so cute. It's a medium. It's not even a small either. Another viral TikTok top that I have never worn. I think I wore it actually once when my girlfriend and I were making TikToks together, but that's about it. I mean, maybe I'll hold on to it just for Halloween or something. I don't know. So here's everything. My husband has some clothes in here as well, and I threw in some shoes. Much needed. Look at all those hangers. All right, now I need a pack. I'm about to film my hair tutorial, and I thought these scrunchies came broken because they weren't lighting up. I even made a return label for them on Amazon, but I was feeling around and I pulled out the little plastic part that you typically have to pull out to make something work because there was no directions. I even looked at the reviews. I just thought they were broken. So I felt something that I could pull because you can't open the scrunchie, and it works. I'm so excited. I was just gonna use them anyways, but how cool are these? So see, I'm gonna use a pink and a purple one because that's the color of my extensions that I'm using, but see, it wasn't lighting up. And then I think these are only like $12 for a pack of like 8 or something like that, but yeah, it's a good deal. So there's a plastic thing that you pull, and then how cool. I'm ready to go to a rave. Whoop. Let's film this tutorial. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna do the other side. I'll be right back. My hair looks so cute. I don't want to take it out, but I need to take it out so I can go to the gym. It's so cute. It's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's Friday, so our flight is around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Since we're gonna be out there a week, it's gonna be really hard for me to pack light, but I'm doing my best. I'm gonna finish packing after I'm done with my hair, and I'm using the Color Wow Dream Cut right now. I've done one section so far, and it feels really nice. I'm not done with this side yet, but yeah, this is my first time using it. I have my curls setting in this noodle. I'm gonna try to finish packing now. This is what I have so far. I need to pack my toiletries and my makeup. My hair turned out really nice. I ended up curling it with a curling wand. It's so soft. I got some packing done. Now all I need to do is my nails, and then I'll be ready. This is my man's suitcase, and this is mine. I'm a little worried that it's gonna be over 50 pounds. I'm bringing my ring light with me. So I'm gonna get a lot of content when we're there, so I figured I might as well bring it. But yeah, I'm just like bringing my whole life with me in this suitcase. I'm trying to pack light, but it's just so hard. They came out so nice. I love these. I wasn't sure about the purple at first, but it's growing on me. I think these nails are perfect for Vegas. I'm officially ready. Woohoo! It's about 7 p.m. and I'm officially ready for Vegas. I'm gonna go to the gym to get in one last workout. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm gonna be vlogging the whole time we're out there. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and on Instagram, and I'll see you in Vegas.